So this is a video tutorial on how to install the cross NATO. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just using my Galaxy Watch 5. Obviously this is a smartwatch, so this strap, because it's a continuous strap, it's going to cover the heart rate sensor. So we do have this in a quick release version so that it won't cover the heart rate sensor. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use the Galaxy Watch 5. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure there's spring bars on your watch. So either use the ones that you've got from us or the ones that you've got on your original watch. We don't need any tools to get the spring bars onto the watch or to get the spring bars onto the watch. So we just need to make sure we're depressing the spring bar. So just use your nail or the tip of your finger like that. It's probably best to use your nail though. So good thing to note is the buckle of the strap should be on the top of the watch. So now what we're going to do is feed the tail through the top end of the watch. And we're going to slide it through and then make that go through the other side of the watch. And so that's really it. That's how you install the cross NATO. So if you need to adjust the cross NATO, so if you've got really small wrists, you can shorten this strap by extending this back section of the strap. So by extending the back section, that's going to make this tail end shorter. So therefore it's going to be better for a smaller wrist. So to adjust this, what we're going to do is going to push this tail end through this buckle. So just like this. And we're going to make sure there's plenty of clearance between the strap and the buckle. That way, when we're threading through this back section, it's got less friction, so it's easier to get through. So we're going to push the strap through the buckle, and then we're just going to keep following along where it's going. And then finally I'm just going to pull this. So, and then I'll just keep doing that. So as you can see, the strap's a lot shorter than what it was before. There are limitations on how much you can do because there might be, you do need to put your watch somewhere. So here I probably shortened it a bit too much, but it's kind of just a bit of trial and error until you get the exact length that you need. So to shorten or to make the strap longer again, pretty much the reverse applies. So we're just going to make sure that this back section is short, and that means that the tail end is then longer. So again, easiest way is to make sure there's less friction in this section here. So we're going to thread that through. And then we're going to feed that tail end through that buckle again. And by doing that, that's going to shorten the back section. And we're just feeding it through the buckle and pulling the tail end. And so now you can see that these keepers used to be around here. Now they moved back up to here. And that means the strap is now longer. And so I'm just going to put it back onto the watch again. Oops. So that's the top of the watch. So through the spring bar and out through the other. And that's it.